Hello, my friends. I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is detached action and the transcendental field. If you can initiate niskam karma, that is detached action, your action will be empowered and you will be disappeared in your action and you will find yourself in the different realm, the realm of transcendental consciousness. I am giving you an example. On a summer vacation, I and my cousin sisters were pelting stone at the mango tree to get some mangoes. And we were so engaged in throwing the stones that we totally forgot about the mangoes. As if we were disappeared in our action and we experienced ourselves in a different realm. And at the end, we got so many ripe mangoes. So, my friends, if you can initiate detached action without expecting any outcome, slowly you will tend towards the transcendental field, the field of infinite possibilities. For our forthcoming online seminars and workshop, just get in touch with us and subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my videos. Namaste.